Welcome to our video on the top 5 best DJI drones of 2025. DJI continues to lead the drone market with cutting-edge technology, exceptional camera quality and smart flight features. In this video, we'll rank the very best, from compact flyers to pro-level powerhouses. The best DJI drones combine flight performance, camera innovation, and user-friendly design. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, there's a drone that fits your needs. Look for features like obstacle avoidance, flight time, and camera specs to choose the perfect one. Choosing the right one can be daunting with so many options, but don't worry, we've done the hard work for you. Each model was selected based on positive reviews and customer feedback. Check out the description for links and more details. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is DJI's most compact and beginner-friendly drone to date, designed for effortless aerial content creation. Weighing just 135 grams, it's ultra-portable and exempt from many drone regulations in various countries. Despite its small size, the Neo boasts impressive features. A 1/2-inch CMOS sensor captures 12-megapixel photos and 4K video at 30 FPS, stabilized by a single-axis mechanical gimbal, combined with rock-steady and horizon-balancing electronic stabilization. The Neo offers multiple smart flight modes including follow, droney, circle, rocket, and helix, enabling users to create cinematic shots with ease. Its AI-powered subject tracking and voice control capabilities make it accessible for beginners. The drone can be controlled via the DJI Fly app, voice commands, or optional controllers, and it supports palm takeoff and landing for added convenience. With a flight time of up to 18 minutes and a range of 7 kilometers, the Neo is suitable for various shooting scenarios. It includes 22 gigabytes of internal storage, eliminating the need for microSD cards, though this may limit extended shooting sessions. The DJI Neo is available for $199, with a Fly More combo option at $289, which includes additional batteries and accessories. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is an innovative, foldable drone designed for content creators and hobbyists seeking portability without compromising on performance. Weighing just 249 grams, it avoids registration requirements in many regions, making it travel-friendly and accessible for beginners. Equipped with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the Flip captures stunning 48 megapixels photos and 4K videos at 60 FPS. Its 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures smooth H footage even during dynamic movements. The drone offers intelligent flight modes like master shots, hyperlapse, and focus track, enabling users to create cinematic shots effortlessly. The Flip's unique folding design not only enhances portability, but also incorporates full propeller guards, enhancing safety during indoor flights or in tight spaces. With a maximum flight time of 31 minutes and a range of up to 14 kilometers, it provides ample opportunity to capture diverse scenes. Control options include the DJI Fly app, voice commands, or the RCN3 and RC2 controllers, catering to various user preferences. While the Flip lacks omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, its front-facing sensors and lightweight design make it a reliable choice for many scenarios. However, users should be cautious in windy conditions due to its light build. The DJI Flip is available starting at $439 for the standard package. For those seeking extended flight time and additional accessories, the Fly More combo, which includes extra batteries, a charging hub, and a carrying bag, is priced at $779. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is a remarkable FPV drone that offers an immersive flying experience for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Equipped with a 1/1.3-inch 12-megapixel CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 4K 60 FPS HDR videos and 2.7K 120 FPS slow-motion footage. The ultra-wide 155 degrees field of view ensures dynamic and cinematic shots, while DJI's rock-steady and horizon-steady stabilization technologies deliver smooth and stable footage even during complex maneuvers. Designed with safety and agility in mind, the Avata 2 features built-in propeller guards and turtle mode, allowing the drone to flip upright after a crash. Its robust build can withstand minor impacts, making it suitable for indoor and outdoor flights. The drone boasts a maximum flight time of approximately 23 minutes and supports PD fast charging, minimizing downtime between flights. The Avata 2 utilizes DJI's O4 video transmission system, providing a low-latency, high-definition live feed up to 13 kilometers away. Paired with the DJI Goggles 3 and RC Motion 3 controller, pilots can enjoy intuitive controls and an immersive first-person view experience. The Easy Acro mode enables users to perform flips and rolls effortlessly, enhancing the thrill of FPV flying. While the Avata 2 excels in delivering an exhilarating FPV experience, it's worth noting that its setup can be complex for newcomers, and additional accessories like the DJI FPV Remote Controller 3 are sold separately. Despite these considerations, the Avata 2 stands out as a top choice for those seeking a high-quality, immersive FPV drone. The DJI Avata 2 Fly More combo is priced at $999, with a 3-battery package available for $1,199. DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S is a versatile drone that combines advanced imaging capabilities with user-friendly features, making it suitable for both enthusiasts and professionals. The Air 3S features a dual-camera setup, a 1-inch CMOS wide-angle camera and a 1/1.3-inch CMOS medium telephoto camera. The wide-angle camera captures 50 megapixels photos, while the medium telephoto camera offers 48 megapixels resolution. Both cameras support 4K 60 FPS HDR video recording, providing up to 14 stops of dynamic range for high-contrast scenes. With a maximum flight time of up to 45 minutes and a transmission range of up to 20 kilometers, the Air 3S ensures extended and reliable flight sessions. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensing system, including forward-facing LiDAR and downward infrared sensors, enhances safety during flights. The drone includes intelligent flight modes such as master shots and quick shots, allowing users to capture cinematic footage effortlessly. The next-generation Smart Return to Home feature ensures precise and safe landings, even in complex environments. Weighing approximately 724 grams, the Air 3S has a compact and foldable design, making it convenient for travel. Its robust build quality ensures durability, while the included RC2 controller with a 5.5-inch 1080p screen offers intuitive control. The DJI Air 3S is available in 2 configurations: the standard package priced at $1,099 and the Fly More combo, which includes additional batteries and accessories priced at $1,599. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro sets a new benchmark in drone technology, offering unparalleled imaging capabilities and advanced flight features. Its triple camera system includes a 100 megapixels Hasselblad wide-angle lens capable of 6K 60 FPS HDR video, a 50 megapixels medium telephoto lens, and a 48 megapixels telephoto lens, providing versatility for various shooting scenarios. The innovative Infinity gimbal allows for 360 degrees rotation and 70 degrees upward tilt, enabling creative shooting angles and vertical video capture without cropping. With a maximum flight time of 51 minutes and a range of up to 18.6 miles, the Mavic 4 Pro ensures extended and reliable flight sessions. Advanced features like omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, including front-facing LiDAR sensors, enhance safety during flights, especially in low-light conditions. The drone's O4 Plus transmission system delivers 10-bit HDR live feeds, ensuring high-quality real-time monitoring. The Mavic 4 Pro is available in 3 configurations: the standard package with the DJI RC2 controller, the Fly More combo with additional batteries and accessories, and the Creator combo featuring 512GB internal storage, and the new RC Pro 2 controller with a 7-inch 2000 nit display. Pricing starts at $2,049 for the standard package, $2,799 for the Fly More combo, and $3,459 for the Creator combo. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 5 best DJI drones of 2025. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect drone to capture your next adventure. Don't forget to check the description for links, detailed specs, and exclusive deals. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Share your favorite DJI drone in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.